Welcome to CMC Invest, your one-stop solution for investing in both the domestic and global markets. Our platform gives you access to over 35,000 shares across 15 international markets. It's one of the most comprehensive platforms in Australia. To navigate around the platform, simply hover over the headings in the toolbar to select the tools, products, or services you are looking for. The first time you log in, you will arrive at a homepage showing Australian equities as a default. To access international markets, simply drop down the list and select the market you'd like to dip into view. When you log back in, you'll be able to pick up from exactly where you left off, whether that be a local market or an international one. A unique feature of CMC Invest is that you can manage all domestic and international holdings in one place. Looking for a particular stock? By using the search bar on the top left of your screen, simply type in the name of the stock code and select from the securities listed. Each security is clearly marked with its flag of origin and distinct code. To place a trade, simply hover over the trade menu, select buy or sell, and enter in your stock code. Choose your stock from the range of exchanges, complete the remaining fields, and select place order. All prices are quoted in the listed security's currency. For convenience, the order ticket converts the total consideration into Australian dollars. With US extended trading hours, you can trade at a time that is better suited to Australia's time zone. This feature allows you to place a trade during pre- and post-US market open hours. The latest FX rate is displayed on the ticket. Research is integrated within our web platform and mobile app. You can access your favourite publications like Morningstar for comprehensive stock reports, charts, market trends, and risk portfolios. You'll find stock analysis, company financials, and ratios for both ASX and international equities. Get an overview of price action with our simple charts. Or if you want to perform a more detailed analysis, view our advanced charts. To stay on the pulse, the Market Insights tab provides real-time updates from our in-house analysts to help you further understand markets as they move. You can set up multiple watch lists to track the securities that interest you the most. Watch lists can be viewed by list of products, or you can create a virtual portfolio to track potential profit and loss over time. You can easily track your portfolio by selecting the Account tab. Simply hover over Account and select Profit and Loss to view your portfolio. The CMC Invest platform has been built with you in mind. With the right tools, you can realise your potential in both domestic and global markets.